yeah, what a beautiful boat.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're checking out the Princess V40. This is 40 foot of luxury that's coming in straight up. This is the swim platform. As you can see, it's nice and very wide, and it's not an outboard, so you actually can use the swim platform, and you can straight up seated with a lounge area, so you can sit down on both sides. You can sit down here and have a little fish, or dream about having a fish, or you can sit down on the executive side. And the executive side is where the big kings enjoy the show. Hello, little executive. You having fun over there? So you can fit, I guess, 20 babies if you're doing some sort of kindergarten project. Take them out on a boat. And not only that, you can access the sides to go around the front. You've got a rail here to hold on. We'll do that in a second, but let's continue on the main tour here. And in this area, you got storage. And I'm hoping there's a fridge. Is there a fridge? Yeah, look at that. We got a Vertifrigio.
Same as the Azimut.
Same as on the Azimut. So nice wooden table. Got champagne over there. And if your boat is rocking, hopefully that won't rock as well. So that's good. Oh, hello. On the side here, you get a sun lounge. So you can lounge about here and just enjoy, because it's a hard top and it opens and closes. So you can be enclosed and you can be open and enjoy a bit of the sun rays. Your babies can check out the helicopter and enjoy the show. And next up, we're going to be checking out the cockpit. Now it says please do not sit, so I'm not going to sit there. We're just going to show you. You've got a massive Garmin screen. You got a bow thruster, steering wheel, and there's also, so not only do you get a bow thruster, you also get a joystick. Now I've never actually needed a bow thruster. I've had a joystick, but you know, makes it all easier. And view-wise, this is interesting. So I guess the windshield is it's a bit narrow, so, but at least you've got a glass all the way around, so you can see, and you can also open up, so you can just stand up and see where you're going. That's the captain's problem. Let's check out the real essence of this boat, and that's the downstairs cabin. So you got 4 steps to go down, which means it's a very deep boat. Let's have a look. I'm not exactly the tallest person, just under 6 foot. But you can go taller, 6.5 foot. That's kind of nice. Got a massive lounge here, sofa to sit down in, and there's also a galley over here, microwave, induction. You got a fridge, a big fridge. Lots of these. Look at these little tiny drawers. For your cutlery, that's pretty neat. And you got kind of a sink that's hidden away underneath there, and beautiful windows so you can open it up. Nice and air conditioned. In this galley area, this is a massive area. You can go forward to the front cabin. You can sit down, you can watch the lounge, watch on TV, Samsung. You got a toilet and shower, and there's one thing I want to show you, just a bit of detail that you don't get on other boats. It's actually tiled flooring.
Oh wow.
That's pretty nice, like an airplane's toilet seat. And you got a screen to protect you from the water, so when you're showering, someone wants to step on in and do the business, they won't get wet. This is the master bedroom over here. It's a nice spacious seating lounge. You do get windows around the sides so everyone can watch you do your magic. And look at that opens up. So you get the view from the front. And also, you can watch some TV and you can watch yourself in the mirror.
Hello.
Do you want to do the back cabin?
Oh, this is nice. You can step into this and your head is fine. It's not sort of bumped up or anything like that. Obviously to get into the aft cabin, you have to bend down, but just stepping into it so far, you know, usually you have to bend over for the aft cabins, but this is nice. Oh, it feels so cool as well. There's air conditioning, loads of storage, lots of seating areas, and a beautiful window here as well. I'm actually impressed with this boat. I do quite like it. I have to say, I might be interested in seeing how much it costs. Okay, let's go upstairs and see what the front side looks like. As you walk around the walkway, you can see here there's a huge area here. You can just deck, you can sleep on here. Let me just show you. There's so much space. You can see the seating deck. Literally you could fit 4 or 5 people here just lying down. And not only that, but you can have some more people just sitting here chilling out. And this is the window for the master cabin that you saw earlier on. It's really pleasant up here. I do like it. It's got a lot of space, feels nice and clean, and yeah, what a beautiful boat. What do you think?
That's interesting. So you got access both ways. You go around the left or the right, or the other way around, port and starboard.
Yes. Now we have to work out how to get you safely off the boat, hey?
And this is what I love to see, the engine room. How much space do you get? 40 foot, so it should be enough. Let's say you got a ladder and a big engines over there. And it's good that you get access straight to the skimmer baskets to make sure that the engine is clear so it doesn't overflow, doesn't clog up.
Coming in at a cool $1.25 million. I've got to say this, you do get good value for money. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show. What do you think? Do you like it? Yeah, what a beautiful boat.